Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a PayPal account. Now it's a very simple process. Firstly, what you have to do is just simply come to your PayPal homepage by typing in paypal.com. Then just simply click on sign up over here. Now over here just simply choose the account type that you want. So in this video we are going with the personal account. So just simply choose that option and click on get started. Now enter the email address over here and firstly choose your region. Now enter your email address over here, but before that just simply choose your region and your country. After choosing the region, whatever information is asked over here, just simply fill that. It might be email address, it might be social security number or your phone number. So in my case it is phone number, so I'm just gonna enter that, and after doing that just simply click on next. Now after entering your phone number you should receive a OTP, so enter the code over here, and after you have done that just simply enter your email address that you want to use as a login. So enter your email address and the password. So after entering the email address and the password just simply click on next. So over here in the next page just simply fill up all the details like first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, address line and everything else. So let's fill this up quickly. So after entering all of the details over here, as you can see, click on agree and continue. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, and then over here in this part you can, and then over here just simply enter your debit card information to link your card with the PayPal. So after entering all of your card information just simply click on link card, and then after that they will try to confirm your card that you just entered. So just simply give the OTP that was sent to you by your bank provider. So just simply enter the information over here, and after that just simply click on confirm. Now wait for a few seconds, and when your credit card or debit card is confirmed, your PayPal account is all set to go. So just simply click on go to your account, and then there you have it, your PayPal account is ready. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.